In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two objects with a tracer and sweep in Cinema 4D. We'll start by preparing the scene. Place your first and second objects anywhere you want in the viewport. These can be any primitives or models you're working with. Just make sure they're positioned where you want the connecting line to run. It helps to keep them clearly named and easy to find in the Object Manager. Next, create the tracer. Go up to the MoGraph menu and choose Tracer. With the tracer selected, look to the Attributes Manager and find the Trace Link field. Drag both of your objects from the Object Manager into that Trace Link field. This tells the tracer which objects it should pay attention to. Once the links are in place, the tracer knows what to connect. By default, Tracer is set to a simple trace mode, which isn't what we want here. In the tracer's attributes, change the tracing mode from Trace to Connect All Objects. This mode creates a single spline that runs between your linked objects, keeping the connection clean and organized. To make sure the connection is a continuous line, uncheck the Trace Vertices option. Leaving that on will generate a trail based on individual points, which is great for motion trails, but not ideal for a clean connector. With it unchecked, you should now see a single spline line linking your two objects. If you don't see it right away, make sure splines are visible in your viewport filters and that the tracer is enabled. If you want to turn that line into actual geometry, you can do that with a sweep. Create a sweep object, then make the tracer a child of the sweep in the Object Manager. Next, create a profile spline, like a small circle. Place the circle as the first child inside the sweep, above the tracer. The order is important. The profile spline goes first, the tracer second. Instantly, your line becomes a 3D tube that connects the two objects. Adjust the circle's radius to control thickness, and tweak the sweep's interpolation for smoothness if needed. This gives you a clean, render-ready connector that updates automatically as your objects move. That's it. You've linked two objects with a tracer, created a continuous spline, and, if you chose, added geometry with a sweep for a polished final result.